Hello, this is Fred Farrell with VBL Technologies, a technology company serving clients from Hampton Roads and Norfolk, Virginia to Greenville, North Carolina. Today I'm going to give you a hardware tour of a Dell R710 that we will be using for a project for one of our clients. In the front here we have, these are 2.5-inch hard drives. We have two different types. The first two are 146 gig 15K drives, and the other 6 are 300 gig 10K hard drives. We'll be setting this up in two RAIDs. A RAID 1 for the first two, which will handle our log files for both the SQL and Exchange server that we're going to be running on here, and then the other 6 will be for the rest of the data stores for the virtual servers that we're running. I'm going to take the top off here. And the first thing I'm going to show you is this SD card. This is a little SATA controller in which we will be installing VMware on this little card here, this SD card. And this will boot up the VMware software that we put on it. It will use the RAID configurations that we set up for it as the data stores with the software. Take the top off here. This is a dual processor server, and also has, I believe it's 18 slots for memory. We're currently running 4 gig modules in here for a total of 24 gigs, but we can certainly expand if we need to. It has, modular fans to replace. You can just pull them out and pop them in. And the hard drives and also the redundant power supply here on the back, they are both hot swappable. And these are the modular type. They can just pull out and you can swap it out and plug it right in. We also have a Intel ET quad port NIC where we'll be using as teaming to send all the data that's requested off the virtual servers to the systems. And we also have here an iDRAC, which I'll be doing a separate video for, but this is a independent tool that you can use to be able to reboot the server and also see the actual screen. I believe it uses Java in order to see that, where you'll be able to see that what's going on, the settings are, as if you were standing directly in front of the server. So I hope you join us for our next videos that will show the install of the VMware ESXi and also the RAID configuration setups that we'll be doing on these servers. Thank you for joining us. I hope to see you in the next videos.